Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what you can do in order to fix the disconnecting problem on TOZO OpenEgo. If you have this issue where they are being disconnected from time to time from your smartphone or any other device that you use, let me show you what you can do in order to try to fix them. So the first thing that we're gonna do is forget the headphones on your device. So I have them connected right now. All I need to do is simply unpair them. And in the case of your device, you might also have the option to forget the device completely, the headphones I mean. So try to do that as well. And let's turn off Bluetooth on our smartphone as well. Now, the next thing that we need to do is reset our headphones. And in order to do that, we need to tap 6 times on the logo. We need to do that fairly quickly. And if you do this right, you will see the white light blinking all the time. Then it should switch to the red light for 1 second, and after that they should reset, so you should be able to connect them again. So let's reset our headphones. Let's tap 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it didn't work for me this time, so let's give it another try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And now it's red, and now it's restarted. So now we are in the pairing mode once again. We can turn on Bluetooth on our device, and we should be able to detect them on the list of available devices. So let's pair them. And there we go. Now let's pair, and now give it a try. Let me know in the comments if this helped. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.